what's up guys? So, 8 pas na ng gabi at nagyaya si Johan na lumabas at kumain. Wow! Sabi niya magbuburias pares. Let's go! Siyempre ba tayo magagawa? Sama tayo. Pagkain yun eh. Yan, so syempre, bumotorin lang natin yun kasi dadaanan pa natin si Johan dun sa area niya para makasama siya. So syempre dapat kasama siya.
Busters on the screen, new post, fresh routine. Phone up, ring the bell. You know the clip gon' sell. Quick cuts, clean stare. Every frame got flair. Late nights, plan in hand, building up a bigger brand. Say it loud, say it clear. One more upload, bring them here. Eyes on you around the clock. When you started, it don't stop. There's busters, running back again. There's busters, everybody in the feed. There's busters, make it hit, make it stick. There's busters, that's the name they click. There's busters.
Ito na. Wow, di ba?
Kaya. Halika na, dali. Kanya kayo, magkakasin.
Ano ang pau?
Ano mga nakampaw may RC lang, tsaka tinapay.
Make it feel camera on, lights down low, but the confidence still show. Every post a little spark, every comment hits the mark. Say it loud, say it clear. One more upload, bring them here. Eyes on you around the clock. When you started, it don't stop. There's busters, run it back again. There's busters, everybody in the feed. There's busters, make it.
Sama-sama!
Libre.
Kompleto na tayo. Yes, yes. Yes,
Oh, may video tayo.
Okay,
Kompleto na.
namin. Hindi mo kasali. Kuhain ako. Opo, katagal ninyo eh.
Aba! Libre niya.
Libre mo ba? Ikaw, libre mo. Uy, mukha ka po.
Ano ko naman libre?
Tara, pagkanya niya. Hindi kasi namin dilibre. Tapos ka na, Taro. Ano, kasama ka pala eh.
Nabudol kami ni Johan. Pala namin yung pagkain na wala pa pala. So sad.
Oh, hello
game.
guys. Hello guys.
Ano? Ano masasabi mo? Ayaw po. Ayun po yung mambubudol.
Ayan, yan ang budol. Nabudol.